I am so happy and honored to be here and again being invited by SMA and Krish sir and Malaji to perform in front of such amazing, beautiful audience every time is a blessing. And Today I was asked to perform for a special theme, Asha ji, Asha Bhosle. We all have lost her a couple of days back, and with her, I felt a complete era of legends is gone behind us, and that's why today's program is going to be a tribute to her, her persona, her versatility, everything that she stood for. So it's not just a musical evening, it's a celebration of a voice that redefined versatility in Indian music. A voice that could sound mischievous, romantic, playful, seductive, classical, emotional, youthful, and timeless all at once. She was a treasure box. From cabaret songs to ghazals, from folk melodies to western dance numbers, from Bollywood classics to Marathi gems, she mastered every genre with effortless grace, right? And tonight we celebrate the legendary Asha ji, an artist who proved that music has no boundaries. And what makes her journey even more inspiring is that many people sorry, many people initially believed she would always remain in the shadow of her elder sister, Lata Mangeshkar ji. But Asha ji created a complete unique identity of her own with courage, experimentation, and unmistakable voice. So, with that said, let's begin with the song and then we'll talk about a little bit about the song. Here it comes. चल के चतुर बिजली गिरा दी उधर, देखा मचल के जिधर बिजली गिरा दी उधर, किसका जला आशिया बिजली को ये क्या खबर, किसका जला आशिया बिजली को ये क्या खबर, आइए मेहरबान बैठे जाने जा, शौक से जिए जी इश्क के इम्तिहान, आइए मेहरबान बैठे जाने जा, शौक से लीजिए जी इश्क के इम्तिहान, आइए मेहरबान। Thank you so much. With this song, I welcome you all to this program. And with this, we begin the most elegant and seductive melodies of Hindi cinema. This song introduced audiences to completely new style of playback singing, graceful, stylish, and unforgettable. Only Asha ji could have pulled it off. Picturized on the stunning Madhubala, this song became one of the earliest milestones in Asha ji's glamorous musical journey. From the movie Havra Bitch 1958 and directed by O.P. Nayyar, O.P. Nayyar and Asha ji created one of Bollywood's most iconic musical partnerships. Interestingly, O.P. Nayyar never worked with Lata ji. I'm sure most of you all know about it, because he believed Asha ji's voice perfectly suited his rhythmic and stylish compositions. Alright, so that was Aiye Meherba. Now taking you to the next beautiful love romantic song. This evergreen duet remains one of the most loved conversational love songs in Hindi. Okay, before I begin, I would request everybody to please mute their mics. Thank you. Okay. From the movie Hum Dono, 1961, directed by Jaidev ji. Music direction was by Jaidev ji. The chemistry of this song lies in its simplicity. The lyrics flow almost like a real conversation between two lovers. Even today, this song is considered one of Bollywood's most beautifully written romantic duets. Abhi na jao chhodkar. Here it is. Just a second. अभी न जाओ छोड़ कर कि दिल अभी भरा नहीं, That was Abhi Na Jao Chhodkar, my personal favorite. Thank you so much for beautiful smiles, and I could see a lot of faces were singing along with me. That was so sweet of you. Thank you, Sudha ji. Thank you, Revti ji. Thank you, Madhu ji. I see all of these. Shobha ji, Marji, Astrid, Chitralekha ji, Bansal ji. Thank you. Shaila ji, Annam ji. Thank you so much for enjoying. I can see you all giving a beautiful smile and sending so many beautiful good messages there. Thank you. Okay. So with that Nakra song, going ahead to the next one, next iconic song, Jaiye Aap Kahan Jayenge. Looks like I am not going to let you go today. My list is like that, right? Okay, Asha ji had an extraordinary ability to sound teasing and elegant at the same time, right? How she did it was fantastic. And this song is a perfect example. I'll try my best as much as possible to do the justice, but it's Asha ji. You can never be 100% right with her. From the movie Mere Sanam 1965, again directed by O.P. Nayyar ji. This song won Asha ji her first Filmfare Award for Best Female Playback Singer, and this song is still admired for its effortless throw and beautiful expression. Jaiye Aap Kahan Jayenge. You can dance along with me. There you go.
जाइए आप कहाँ जाएंगे, ये नजर लौट के फिर आएंगे, ये नजर लौट के फिर आएगी। दूर तक आपके पीछे पीछे, दूर तक आपके पीछे पीछे, मेरी आवाज़ चली जाएगी। जाइए आप कहाँ जाएंगे, ये नजर लौट के फिर आएगी, ये नजर लौट के फिर आएगी। फिर आएंगे, ये नजर लौट के फिर आएगी। दूर तक आपके पीछे पीछे, दूर तक आपके पीछे पीछे, मेरी आवाज चली जाएगी। जाइए आप कहाँ जाएंगे, ये नजर लौट के फिर आएंगे, ये नजर लौट के फिर आएंगे। ला ला ला,
थैंक यू सो मच। होप आप भी लौट कर फिर आएंगे। I can see all of you all enjoying and sending me such beautiful, beautiful messages. I really appreciate it because that's my fuel. Your appreciation is what is, giving me power to perform. Amazing, awesome. I'm having best crowd till now. Okay, moving on to the next song, Oh Mere Sonare. Oh Mere Sonare. Yeah, who doesn't know this song, right? From the film Teesri Manzil changed Bollywood music forever with its western arrangement and youthful energy. Movie from 1966, music directed by R.D. Burman. Asha ji was initially nervous about singing the highly westernized songs of Teesri Manzil, but after the film's success, Asha Bhosle R.D. Burman combination became legendary, and we all know about it. So here it comes, Oh Mere Sona. Here we go.
ओ मेरे सोना रे सोना रे सोना रे, दे दूंगी जान जुदा मत होना रे। मैंने तुझे जरा देर में जाना, हुआ कसूर खपा मत होना रे। मैंने तुझे जरा देर में जाना, हुआ कसूर खपा मत होना रे। ओ मेरे सोना रे सोना रे सोना।
ग्रेट माला जी, मधु जी, सुधा जी, शोभा जी, रेवती जी, नमस्ते, वेरी नाइस चित्र जी।
ओ फिर हमसे ना उलझना, नहीं लट और उलझन में पड़ जाएगी, ओ पछताओगी कुछ ऐसे कि सुर्खी लबों की उतर जाएगी। ये सजा तुम भूल न जाना, प्यार का ठोकर लगाना, कि चला जाऊंगा फिर मैं न जाने कहाँ। ओ मेरे सोना रे सोना रे सोना रे, दे दूंगी जान जुदा मत होना रे। मैंने तुझे जरा देर में जाना, हुआ कसूर खफा मत होना रे। मैंने तुझे जरा देर में जाना, हुआ कसूर खफा मत होना रे। ओ मेरे सोना रे सोना रे सोना रे, ला 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 ला
Okay, thank you so much. I can see everyone was dancing, and thank you, thank you. I hope you all are enjoying. Oh, so sweet. Thank you. All right, amazing messages, amazing voice, lovely expressions. Thank you. Thank you, Shubhda auntie. I love her. Thank you, Susan. Amazing. Loved all the songs. Annam. Thank you, Sumit ji. Thank you, Jitendra ji, Anupama ji. Thank you, Sonia ji, Marji ji, Ashok uncle, Y uncle. Thank you. So sweet. All of you have sent such beautiful messages. All right. I'm just honored and overwhelmed. All right. Moving on to the next and most beautiful song. Kind of will change a little trajectory over here. It's because this song is not just music; it is poetry. After years of being known for peppy, glamorous songs, Asha ji surprised everyone with her extraordinary ghazal singing in Umrao Jaan. Right? From the movie 1981, Umrao Jaan from 1981, directed by Khayyam ji. This song actually, this was a song, I think she got the national award for female singing, right? So that was the song that was a turning point for her career. So here it goes without talking much about it. Let's go and listen to this song and enjoy it. Okay.
इन आँखों की मस्ती के आ, 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 इन आँखों की मस्ती के मस्ताने हजारों हैं, मस्ताने हजारों हैं, इस शम्मे परोसा के परवाने हजारों हैं, परवाने हजारों हैं, इन आँखों की मस्ती के मस्ताने हजारों हैं, इन आँखों से वाबस्ता अफसाने हजारों हैं, अफसाने हजारों हैं, इन आँखों के मस्ती के।
Thank you so much. Alright, that was a ghazal kind of a song, and very different from how she generally used to sing, right? So this proves that she continuously experimented with her song. Thank you so much. Alright, the next one also is a beautiful ghazal and one of my husband's favorite. Mine too, but one of my husband's favorites. So this feels like a quiet midnight conversation, and its beauty lies in its simplicity, intimacy, and emotional depth. Salona Sa Sajan from the album Miraji Ghazal, right? So this proves that she just didn't get stuck in the Bollywood, right? She did a lot of music outside Bollywood. And I also did some research about her, that Legacy, there was an album called Legacy, which she did with I'm not able to get it right now, I'm sorry, but she won her first Indian Grammy nominee. She was from India when she did this album with Ustad Ali Akbar Khan Sahab. So that was amazing, right? How much she experimented outside of playback singing. Right? So this Salona Sa Sajan, coming back to it, this ghazal became one of the biggest examples of how Asha ji broke the stereotype that she could only sing cabaret or fast songs, right? And this composition uses soft instrumentation, so the listener feels personally connected to every word. Here it is. Salona Sa Sajan for you.
सलोना सा सजन है और मैं हूँ, सलोना सा सजन है और मैं हूँ, जिया में एक अगन है और मैं हूँ, सलोना सा सजन है और मैं हूँ। 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 जिया में एक अगन है और मैं हूँ। सलोना सा सजन है और मैं हूँ।
Thank you so much. Thank you, so many beautiful messages. Yes, a Marathi song definitely is going to come towards the end, and I'm sure you all would be dancing on it. I can see a lot of beautiful requests, but unfortunately we have tight time and I want to sing a lot of more beautiful songs for you all. So let's see, if we have time towards the end, we'll probably sing one or two lines. But beautiful. Thank you so much. Okay. Now time to bring back some fun and nostalgia from the movie Kismat 1968, music again by O.P. Nayyar ji, and this is a duet by Asha ji and Shamshad Begum. Can anybody guess which song it is?
Yeah, the Gajra.
Gajra Mohabbat. Yes, Malaji. Yes, you got it right. Correct. So this became famous for the gender reversal performance on screen, which was iconic and bold for that era, right? So this is till now the favorite for a lot of people. All right. So get ready to listen and dance.
मोहब्बत वाला अखियों में ऐसा डाला, कजरे ने ले ले मेरी जान। हाय रे मैं तेरे कुर्बान, दुनिया है मेरे पीछे लेकिन मैं तेरे पीछे अपना ऐसा डाला कजरे ने ले ली मेरी जान, हाय रे मैं तेरे कुर्बान। वेरी नाइस सुधा जी। ये माला जी नाइस। आई हो कहाँ से गोरी आँखों में प्यार लेके, आई हो कहाँ से गोरी आँखों में प्यार लेके, चढ़ती जवानी की ये पहली बहार लेके, दिल्ली शहर का सारा मीना बाजार लेके, दिल्ली शहर का सारा मीना बाजार लेके, झुमका बरेली वाला कानों में ऐसा डाला, झुमके ने ले ली मेरी जान, हाय रे मैं तेरे कुर्बान। दुनिया है मेरे पीछे लेकिन मैं तेरे पीछे, अपना बना ले मेरी जान, हाय रे मैं तेरे कुर्बान। There you go. Nice. मोटर ना बंगला मांगो, झुमका ना हार मांगो, मोटर ना बंगला मांगो, झुमका ना हार मांगो, दिल को चलाने वाले दिल का करार मांगो, सैया बेदर्दी मेरे थोड़ा सा प्यार मांगो, सैया बेदर्दी मेरे थोड़ा सा प्यार मांगो, किस्मत बना दे मेरी दुनिया बसा दे मेरी, कर ले सगाई मेरी जान, आए रे मैं तेरे कुर्बान। कजरा मोहब्बत वाला अखियों में ऐसा डाला, कजरे ने ले ली मेरी जान, आए रे मैं तेरे कुर्बान। या नाइस माला जी। जब से है देखा तुझको हो गए गुलाम तेरे, जब से है देखा तुझको हो गए गुलाम तेरे, अपना बना ले गोरी आएंगे काम तेरे, अपना ये जीवन सारा लिख देंगे नाम तेरे, अपना ये जीवन सारा लिख देंगे नाम तेरे, कुर्ता ये जाले वाला उस पर मोतियन की माला, कुर्ते ने ले ले मेरी जान, हाय रे मैं तेरे कुर्बान। दुनिया है मेरे पीछे लेकिन मैं तेरे पीछे, अपना बना ले मेरी जान, हाय रे मैं तेरे कुर्बान। कजरा मोहब्बत वाला अखियों में ऐसा डाला, कजरे ने ले ले मेरी जान, हाय रे मैं तेरे कुर्बान।
Okay, thank you. Wow. Oh my god, I've got so many songs to sing and it's about time. Wow, thank you so much again for enjoying that song. What I'll do is I'll just sing one paragraphs, like a little part of, so that I can cover all the songs, right? Okay, so thank you. That was Kajra Mohabbat Wala with dual voice. I hope you liked it. Moving on, Jawani Janeman. The song perfectly captures the disco era of Bollywood, right? Stylish, playful, full of attitude. From the movie Namak Halal, 1982. Music direction by Bappi Lahiri, and this became the defining party song 1980s. It still works, right? So let's go. Jawani Janeman.
जवानी जाने मन हसीन दिल रुबा मिले तो दिल जवा निसार हो गया। जवानी जाने मन हसीन दिल रुबा मिले तो दिल जवा निसार हो गया। शिकार खुद यहाँ शिकार हो गया। ये क्या सितम हुआ, ये क्या जुल्म हुआ, ये क्या गजब हुआ, ये कैसे कब हुआ, न जानू मैं न जाने वो। ओहो जवानी जाने मन हसीन दिल रुबा मिले तो दिल जवा निसार हो गया। ऐसे ऐसे तुरत 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 खाई खाई बेजुबान दिल में चोट ये कैसी हर वो मिली नजर हर ये हुआ असर नजर नजर में ये समा बदल गया चलाया तीर जो मुझे पे चल गया। गजब हुआ ये क्या हुआ ये कब हुआ न जानू मैं न जाने वो। ओहो जवानी जाने मन हसीन दिल रुबा मिले तो दिल जवा निसार हो गया। शिकार खुद यहाँ शिकार हो गया। ये क्या सितम हुआ ये क्या जुल्म हुआ ये क्या गजब हुआ ये कैसे कब हुआ न जानू मैं न जाने वो। ओहो
All right, moving on to the next song. Thank you. Asha Ji's magic, as we all know, wasn't limited to Hindi songs. She gave awesome songs in Marathi music, and I had a hard time picking out which song to sing, right? So this is from Reshma Chareghani. If you know, this is a Lavani song that she sang, and she was famous for singing it. Let's go ahead without talking much. Again, get ready to dance.
रेशमाच्या रेगाने लाल काळा धाग्याने कर्नाटकी कशिदा मी काढेला होत नका लावू माझ्या साडीला रेशमाच्या रेगाने लाल काळा धाग्याने कर्नाटकी कशिदा मी काढेला होत नका लावू माझ्या साडीला
Alright, that was a Marathi Lavani for you all.
Awesome.
Moving on. Thank you. Okay, moving on. Just, Chris, sir, do we have time for one more song? Probably. One song is okay? Okay, let's do this finale with this song. You know, how can a Asha Bhosle tribute end without this legendary number? Piya Tu Ab To Aaja. Right? From the movie Karwa, 1971, music again by R.D. Burman. And Monica, oh my darling, we all know was voiced by R.D. Burman. So without any further ado, let's begin.
देखो वो आ गया पिया तू अब तो आजा
Incredible, Himani.
my darling.
Incredible.
Thank you so much. So with
So
this,
well done, Himangi. It
Very
was
well, very well.
absolutely fab and amazing. The
Beautiful
selection of
singing and
songs,
beautiful
your
dancing too.
singing, everything
so
was
sweet.
Love,
Thank
lovely singing,
So
beautiful,
lovely.
Excellent, Himangi.
beautiful.
thank you
Singing
so
and
much.
dancing and smiling.
And
So
such a
beautiful.
lively program.
Your voice,
Thank
your
you.
dance, your face, everything is so
Superb.
entertaining and so beautiful.
Yes.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Thank you.
God bless you.
Awesome
So
singing.
sweet. So
One
sweet.
Keep it up.
bliss.
Keep it up.
Paint with you. Thank you for the opportunity. Thank you so much.
Thank
Wow.
you so
Thank you.
much.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Fabulous.
Thank you.
I'm like
Fabulous.
overwhelmed right now with so much love pouring all at once, and I'm really blessed. Thank you,
You
Bholenath.
deserve it. You deserve it.
Okay, we
So
want to see
sweet.
you
All the best.
again. All
Yes,
the very best, ma'am.
Super.
All the
absolutely.
best in
Thank
all your
you.
endeavors.
One
Thank
more
you
song,
so
please.
much.
Very nice.
Thank you.
Very nice song
Good night.
selections and presentation. The singing, your all the appearance, and then you were dancing also. It was very, very
Yeah, very.
like I can't express it in words. It was
So
so good.
sweet.
So just
Thank
great.
you so
So
much.
sweet.
Great.
Thank
Why
you,
it lasted for
Anupama ji.
1 hour only?
I know. You know how that 1 hour passed. So
One
Yeah.
more song, please.
Oh my
Nidhi,
One more
gosh.
song.
Nidhi, we must have her once again soon.
One
I'm
more
sure
song.
Yeah.
Krish and I
With
will make sure
Ashaji's
we have
duet.
Himangi again.
Yes.
Ashaji's duets next time.
Sure, done.
Super.
Thank you so much, Krish. Thank you,
Thank you so
Himangi.
much.
Thank
Thank you
you.
so
Thank
much, Madam.
you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Take
Thank you
care. We
so
will
much.
meet next
Well
month.
done.
Fully with
Yes.
Himangi again.
Oh,
Thank you.
absolutely. Whenever SMA calls, whenever Krish sir calls, I know I am always there. And
Yes.
today's program, you wouldn't believe, Krish sir told me today morning that I was preparing some random songs from old, old and golden era. And he said, no, they have requested for Asha Bhosle program. I was like, uh-oh. So I had put down this right today in the morning, and I'm really glad you all loved it.
We'll
Thank
use that
you.
So in
list of
the
yours another time.
Nidhi, in the sound check, she sang Bhaiya Na Daro.
Wow.
All her
No,
songs.
but your range,
Whatever you
Himangi,
sing,
is really
so good.
amazing. It's really
Thank you.
amazing. You know,
Oh,
you make some
beautiful. And you
difficult
sang so
songs sound so
effortlessly.
easy.
I know.
Thank
So
you. Thank you so
effortlessly and
much.
so beautiful. बहुत
Thank
सुरीला,
you.
बहुत सुरीला. Thank you.
Thank
Thank you.
you.
Thank you.
Fantastic.
Okay.
See you
Bye.
all your
Thank
beautiful
Okay.
faces
My
very,
gosh.
very soon next month.
Yeah,
Yes.
we'll see you
Okay.
next month
We'll be
again.
in
Thank you.
touch, Nidhi. Yes.
Thank you,
Himangi,
sure. Thank you, Krish. Thank you so much. Bye, everyone.
Himangi, rock on.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank
Thank
you.
you,
Bye-bye.
Nidhi,
Bye.
for a lovely evening.
Bye.
Good night. Bye.
Good night.
Bye.
Bye-bye.